white as snow. And everywhere that
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
School one day it followed
Goodbye.
one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the
Look at
children
this.
laugh and
It is
play
a koi
to
fish.
see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned
Look at this.
it out, but
It is a
still
goldfish.
lingered near and waited patiently
Goodbye.
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this.
Why
It
does
is a
the
koi
lamb
fish.
love Mary so, Mary so,
Woohoo!
Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb?
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Lamb, you know why Mary loves the lamb. You know the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb.
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Mary had a little lamb.
Yeah!
Its face was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a chana fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah, boy!
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a pomfret fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a comb fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy!
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.